Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be part one of the Supra build. I am here at AP Tuning, and let's go in and take a look at the Supra and what we've got. So here's the Supra. Richie's already got it mostly disassembled. About ready to drop the transmission. Let's take a look at some of the parts that we have set up for it. So we have some boost line connecting rods, gonna try out the new Precision 6470, new OEM Toyota crank, and this is the exhaust that was on the car. I believe it's ETS. And then because this is the old AMS car, it has all the SPL rear bars in it. The previous owner installed HKS coils. And let's see what else we have here. And then we have the EOS manifold. And just like that, the transmission is out. So draining this oil. Gonna see how much metal's in it.
She's out. Let's go.
Back at it again, back down at AP Tuning. It's been a couple days since I was down here last. Richie's got the motor apart. Unfortunately, it's a lot of bad news. So let's take a look at what the cylinder head looks like and the block, and I'll kind of go over my plans for what I plan on doing next. So here's the cylinder head. Unfortunately, the cam journals are messed up, so the cylinder head is garbage. The car is now sitting outside waiting for its new engine, and let's go in and take a look at what the engine looks like. So this is the engine that came out of the car. There's the crankshaft. Rod bearings were messed up, and it actually got started on the mains too. Everything's there. So the good news is I found this locally out of a wrecked Supra, and we're gonna build that one. Stay tuned for any updates, and hopefully it's not as bad as the last one.